How to repost someone's story on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app. Now tap on the story you want to repost. Tap on the three dots at the top. You'll notice there's no repost option here. Now tap on the message icon at the bottom right. These are just sharing options, not a direct repost. Instagram does not provide a built-in repost button for other people's stories. The only trick you can use is take a screenshot for photos or record a screen for videos. In this case, I'll take a screenshot. Now go back and tap on your story to post a new story. Select the image. Tap on the arrow button. Tap on the share button. Finally, tap done. That's it. You have reposted someone's story to your own story.